Filters that are easy to install and clean. Available for most models.
This filter installation video is for the Seville Ultra Slim Tower Fan. Begin by lying the fan face down. Make sure the fan is clean, free of any dust, dirt, or grime. Attach Velcro adhesive strip to the outside edge of the grill, as shown here. Peel off one side of the Velcro strip. Press firmly on the full length of the Velcro strip. Repeat the same on the opposite side. This is your Fan Buddy filter made from pollen filtration material. We recommend that you leave the remote clip attached and place the filter directly over it. As an option, you can remove the remote clip, attach the filter, then reattach the remote clip. Okay, that's it.